Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Reima Ollila, a production manager and lean enthusiast. And today we are starting a new video series about the Stream Deck, a device that has greatly improved my office work efficiency. If you follow my channel, you know we discuss lean leadership, waste identification and elimination. Today I'll show you how Stream Deck helps reduce office work waste, unnecessary movement, waiting times, defects and overprocessing. We all recognize these situations. Clicking open the same programs daily, switching windows with Alt-Tab and searching through folder structures. While browsing windows, your attention drifts to something different from what you were originally opening and you forget what you were doing. Let me give you an example of starting my daily production meeting. With the Stream Deck, one button press and everything is ready in seconds. This is exactly what lean thinking is about: eliminating non-value adding work, optimizing remaining work, and standardizing recurring processes. Elgato's Stream Deck is, in its simplicity, a controller or a programmable keyboard with LCD displays. It comes in 6 models. First, there's the Stream Deck Mini with 6 buttons, which might be sufficient for your remote work. Then there's the stylish Neo model with 8 buttons and an info bar. What I use is the standard Stream Deck Make 2 with 15 buttons. They also have a couple of models for studio use. And finally, there is the Stream Deck XL with 32 buttons, suitable for more demanding use. Now, what makes this device so powerful is how versatile each button can be. You can program them to open apps and files, execute keyboard shortcuts, run macros and control system settings. Let me show you how I use Stream Deck in my daily work. Let's look at production reporting. Watch what happens when I press this button. Windows Remote Desktop opens, followed by our ERP system. It's not in English, but you get the point. Then the deviation log opens, the file saves automatically, the report layout formats clearly, and print settings adjust appropriately. If I need a paper copy, I can still manually click to print the report. With just these 2 routine operations, I save enough time daily to enjoy my coffee in peace. But it's not just about saving time. Quality improves too. The report opens the same way every time. And honestly, if I had to craft it manually each day, I wouldn't bother making all the layouts this well. Looking ahead to our upcoming videos, we'll explore basic setup configuration, efficient profiles for different tasks, office software integrations, and applying lean principles in a digital environment. I'll also share practical examples of how we utilize Stream Deck in daily management at our factory. If you're interested in improving office work efficiency with lean principles, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll go through Stream Deck's basic settings and create our first command sequence. See you next time. Bye bye.